this is the main control board. That's mean direct power going to the main what do you call this one, inlet wall. This is the problem with the control. I will remove here. I will remove here. We can take it out. Yes, it's okay. Yes, dear friends, this is the inlet wall wire. We can check from here to there. Yes, my dear, from here, this one, these two wires, these two wires only. Now we can check after fixing here. It will come like that, these two wires. Now we can check. Yes, dear, you can see this is one MOSFET, otherwise we are telling regulator. This one already shorted because of that direct power going to the inlet wall. After replacing this one, it should be okay. Anyway, we will remove and check it is already defect or not. It is 100% defect. Now we will go to the next test. After replacing this one, I can resolve this issue and we will go to the next step. Now, dear friends, I am going to replace which is defect regulator, otherwise MOSFET. This is defect one. I can simply replace like that. Here I already removed. Now I have to install a new one. This is the new one. Very careful, we have to do this job. Now it's already mounted. Now it's okay, dear. Now I have to clean properly. I will clean. Yeah, we have to clean after install any electronic items. Now it's okay. You can see here. Also, I will here some dry soldering. I have to do that one also. Here also dry soldering I have to renew. Here one big crack, also other MOSFET. Now it's okay, dear. Now, dear friends, you can see here I already replaced. I will fix with the board cover. This will come this way. Yes, dear, it will come like that. Okay, you can see here. Now I can close like this, but I cannot lock because I have to fix with the machine. Now we will fix with the machine and we will check. Now I'm going to connect. Here it's coming this way. Now I have to fix first these two connectors. I will fix myself first. Yes, yes, now I also. This is now it's not. Now I have to fix all the this is very complicated. This is my then on here, then on here. Is it? Okay. I fix it. This one is fine. This one is for the wall. This is the right. This is the right. That's okay for our this is here. This is the one. Okay, here. This is now I will go here. This is the one. So we'll come to second here. Now it's okay. Now I can lock all. This one also I can lock here. Now my connections already I given already. This one will come with the, after fixing this one, it is doesn't matter, we will temporarily we will keep like that. This one I'm here I will keep like that. I will give the power connection. Now dear friends, I already given power connection. I'm going to start the machine now. It is I'm keeping because I'm one time I'm selecting, it will come again the same option. It's realizing same one which is previously I selected. Anyway, now I will we will check what will happen, machine will start or not. Before it's while giving power, at the same time water will come to the machine. Now we will check air guide area. After that we can understand. Before, while I'm giving power, at the same time water take into the machine through the air guide, but now I already given water connection also, but now it's not coming as same before water. But let me check if it is water taking to the machine or not. Because this control board is very expensive, only 20 within 30-20 dirhams we can repair this machine, which is the damaged MOSFET part. But if it is okay, my job will be success. Otherwise I have to replace the main control board. I'm trying without replacing main control board resolve this issue. Drain pump is still working, water not taken to the machine. Yes dear friends, you can see here, now water taken to the machine through the air guide, you can see here. I think my job success actually, but end of the cycle I am not able to tell it is exactly okay or not. Still taking water. After getting stopped, wash motor will start. Still water taken to the machine. Wash motor also start. Yes dear, now you can see here it is already got stopped, not taking continuously water. Now already got stopped. Now wash motor start with the pressure water is coming to the air guider through this area, and after that it will going again to the sump. Now I have to wait until finish this, until ending which is I selected option. Now dear friends, my job actually it is already completed. That means it is my main control board after repairing, it is success. It is machine is working properly. Before it's always water coming and draining. Also here occurring here blinking lights. That means it is some error symptom coming because the continuously water coming at the same time water or leaking from the down, at the same time floating switch realizing at that time this lights blinking. Now it is machine running well. I will open the slowly door. You can see here it is perfectly working. My job already completed. I have to fix the all the side covers only. After that my job will be finished. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.